How to change home screen grid and app screen grid size on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. By default, set the home screen grid or app screen grid size. To change it, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the setting gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now here you can find the option home screen grid, app screen grid and folder grid. Let's see it one by one. First of all, tap on home screen grid. Here you can see two options only available, 5 by 6 and 4 by 6. So here you can see a 4 by 6 or 5 by 6 option. Then select the option and tap on a done to set the home screen grid. Second one is the app screen grid. Here you can see app screen grid has a 4 columns. So you can see the 4 row, 5 columns and you can see the 5 row. So select the column you want to set as app screen grid on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device and tap on a done button. Here we done. Now you can see 5 row on my device. And the last one is the folder grid. Here is the folder grid. Here you can set 3 by 4 or 4 by 4. You want to set on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.